Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to sew the purse into the clasp. This clasp is bought from Pradhan embroidery stores. I think it's very cheap and it's very sturdy, at the same time it's lightweight. Pradhan embroidery stores sold clasp without holes. Now they are selling the clasp with holes so the crocheted purse can easily sew into the clasp. Two colors are available, one in light gold color, another one is silver color. Both are absolutely gorgeous for any purse. It can go well with any color. This is the purse. I'm gonna sew it in the clasp. In previous video I showed the pattern of the zigzag heart purse. You can check the video for the tutorial. Now I'm gonna show you how to sew the purse into the clasp. Let's get started. You can see the purse appears to be big as the clasp, but you don't have to worry because the base I did is the same as the clasp. So take the purse. You can see 3 hearts in the front and 3 hearts in the back. One heart inside and another heart is other side. So you keep the clasp like that. Now take some stitch markers. You can lock the points with the help of stitch markers. This is the side heart. You should lock the purse and clasp like this. Now turn other side. This is the other side of the heart. Take one stitch marker, lock the purse and clasp. This is the 3 heart in front. Take the middle one, lock the center of the heart of the purse, with clasp. Likewise, you should lock with the back side. Now everything is locked. After locking it with stitch markers, I am taking a different color thread, 8 to 10 threads. Now keeping the heart as a point, see the tip as a point, I am going to secure the clasp and the purse by tying the thread. Now I am tying the thread at back of the purse. The tip of the heart as a reference. the side of the purse I'm going to tie. At the other end, after tying 4 sides, front, back, one side and other side, I'm going to tie it here, here, here and here. Taking heart as the point, insert the thread, after tying it on 8 sides, I'm going to remove the stitch markers. The reason why I tied the thread means so easily sew it later. Removing all the stitch markers. With the help of the scissors, insert the purse in between the clasp like this. Now I'm taking a long thread, insert into the needle and tie it in the other end. I'm going to sew the purse from back to front. Here on the second hole, front to back. Again back to front, front to back. Back to front. Front to back. You have to check the other side too. Likewise, you have to do all sides and continue doing on other side too. I have stitched all across the clasp. This is the last end. here I'm gonna insert into the threads and make a knot to complete. Secure tightly. Once again, secure it tightly. And insert the thread here somewhere like this and cut the thread. After sewing on all sides, now I'm going to cut the different color thread which I tied before. After cutting all the threads, here comes cute claspers. I'm going to stuff it with cotton. After stuffing, here comes cute little purse. I have done one earlier with different color. The green one is done with 2.5 mm hook and the white one is done with 3 mm knit pro hook. This is top part and this is bottom. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment my video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks once again. Bye.